Hi sir, my name is Eric Tiong. In this presentation, I will be sharing about the result of the calculation of the data set. From 9,994 transactions found in the data set file, a 200 random sample was selected by Excel including the 9 variables, which is order date, street mode, segment, region, category, sales, quantity, discount, and also profit. First of all, for discount, the average mean is 0.14725 and the median is 0.1. Based off the chart, we can know that the group of 0 to 0.49 has the largest number, which is 180, and the group of 0.49 to 0.98, which is 20. For profit, the average mean is 31.68 and the median is 8.81. The mode of profit would be 9.3312. The group of negative 121.9956 to 103.0044 has the largest number, which is 183. For the section of quantity, the average mean is 3.875 and the median would be 3. The mode of quantity is 3. For the graph shown above, 2.63 to 4.26 have the largest number, which is 77, and the group of 9.15 to 10.78, and also the 12.41 to 14.04 is only 1. For the part of sales, the average mean is 228.31 and the median is 54.075 and the mode of sales is 12.96. From the graph shown above, the group of 1.188 to 569.188 have the largest number, which is 182. For category, in the pie chart above, show the office supply has the largest number, which is 120 out of 200, and followed by furniture, which is 49 out of 200, and lastly would be technology, which is 31 out of 200. For sheet mode, the standard class has the largest number, which is 121, and followed by second class, which is 42. The same day have the smallest number, which is only 10. For segment, from the chart shown above, consumer have the largest number, followed by the corporate and home office. For region, from the pie chart shown above, the highest would be West, which is 29.5%, and followed by East, which is 28.5%. For order day, the average mean would be 43513.58 and median is 42588.50. The mode would be 42987. The group of the order day 2016 August 16 to 2017 January 28 has the largest number, which is 47. Next would be the confidence interval. For the average sales for the consumer sector, we are 95% confident that the true average sales value lies within the confidence interval of 42.89 to 595.67. The population mean would be 223.73. Since the population mean of 223.73 is within this confidence interval, it provides strong evidence that the sample data is consistent with the population. And for the average profit for sales from the East only, we are 95% confident that the true average sales value lies within the confidence interval of negative 50.82 to 207.81. Next, for the hypothesis testing, hypothesis 1, the rejection region is not reached because the t-statistic value is less than the t-critical one-tail value. As a result, we do not reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, based on the hypothesis testing, we conclude that there is no significant difference in the mean performance between the corporate and segment. For hypothesis 2, since the p-value 0.258 is greater than the significant level 0.05, we failed to reject the null hypothesis. This means that there is not enough evidence to conclude that the average profit per transaction is significantly different between the furniture and technology categories. For the part of the correlation and regression, using the provided sample data, the scatter plot demonstrates the relation between sales and profit. Profit is shown on the y-axis and sales are shown on the x-axis. Every dot on the graph corresponds to a particular pair of sales and profit. Since the straight line is ascending from left to right, the graph demonstrates a positive link between sales and profit. In conclusion, the analysis of the superstore data revealed several key findings. The random sample of 200 transactions was selected using Excel range function, ensuring a representative sample for the study. Descriptive statistics were computed for various variables including order day, ship mode, discount, profit, quantity, sales category, segment, and region. Visualizations such as histogram, pie chart, and frequency polygon were created using Excel and Python, providing valuable insight into the data distribution. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.